Wish Upon a Star by Cherriuki in size 50 by 72 cm rounds. We start the special treatment with electric diamonds that we use for the moon, the stars, and also basically sprinkle it in the sky. So you can choose, after you've placed the electric diamonds on the moon and on the stars, the random areas in the sky that you would like highlighted with a small star, and that is the electric diamonds. Wish Upon a Star by Cherriuki 50 by 72 cm rounds version 2 special treatment now adds snow pearls that we sprinkle on the whitest part of the curtains. So on the curtains, and in this particular canvas, we see that as code right arrow. Simply look for the lightest, whitest part of the curtain and sprinkle your snow pearls on those areas, and this will give it a sheer, like a shimmer, like it's light that the cloth is capturing from the stars. Aside from that, we also have morganite that have been sprinkled in all of the pink areas that we see, specifically the bunnies on their clothes, and of course the girl's dress, and also her ribbon. Wish Upon a Star 50 by 72 cm rounds version 3 now adds star gems that you can place as you wish in the sky. So if we look closely, the star gems are these ones over here. Those are the star gems.